Hey everyone, it's Isha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a review of some of FOCALLURE products na I think are worth it. And I think these are the products na magagamit ko talaga whenever I'm doing makeup every day. But don't worry, every product that I got will be listed in the description box. So without further ado, let's proceed with the video. Okay, so to start off, I've already done my moisturizer and pati yung sunscreen ko. So I'm gonna proceed now with the primer. So yung primer nila is yung blurmax. So let's try it out. Actually, as I spread it, yung feeling niya is super velvety. Hindi ko masyadong naamoy yung pagka-silicone nung primer. So, I think that's a good sign. It does its work na it blurred my pores. And I don't know if nakikita nyo, pero na-blur nga yung pores ko. So, next product is their covermax matte foundation. And I'm in the shade 08 Honey. So, I'm expecting this to be full coverage. Hopefully, it works together with the primer. So, in this side of my face, gagamitan ko siya nung beauty blender nila na microfiber. And sa kabilang side ko naman is normal sponge lang. I think it's very yellow undertone siya. Hopefully, mag-blend in siya sa mukha ko and sa leeg ko. And hindi mag-oxidize. I'm liking the coverage so far. Ano yun? Natatanggal yung microfiber niya, guys. Ang bilis matanggal. You know? Susi naman yung coverage, diba? Like, maganda. I'm loving it. But so far, I'm not liking itong microfiber nila. I think yung shade nito super yellow siya sa skin ko. It's a little dark pa rin. Honestly, mas gusto ko pa rin yung application ng normal sponge. Pag sa microfiber sponge kasi, although full coverage pa rin yung nagiging finish niya, kailangan mo talaga i-press in at i-blend out ng todo and it takes time pa. And pagdating sa shade, I think it is my shade kasi yellow undertone siya, but I would have preferred a lighter yellow shade. On camera, it really looks like my shade, pero in real life, medyo dark siya ng konti talaga sa akin. Now, for concealer, gagamitin ko tong full coverage concealer nila and I'll just go and proceed with the application. And I chose na medyo lighter shade yung kuhanin ko kasi nung nagbabasa ako ng reviews, yung mga medium tones nila is a little bit orange or orange talaga. So, pinili ko na lang yung lighter shade just to be safe. Ang light niya sa mukha ko, almost white na yung itsura niya. Pang-highlight na talaga siya. For my skin tone. Kapag mas fair pa yung skin mo, pwede siyang concealer sa'yo. Coverage-wise, I wouldn't say na full coverage siya. O medium coverage siya. For this concealer, I would really think na pang-highlight siya rather than being a concealer. Kasi, although makikita mo sa packaging niya na parang may pagka-yellow undertone siya, but it's not. Ang fair niya masyado. For me, it doesn't really serve its purpose. Okay siya for beginner, but if you're looking for more full coverage na drugstore yung level niya, then I wouldn't really recommend this. Okay, so for my brows, gagamitin ko tong FOCALLURE Super Fine Eyebrow Pencil. Packaging pa lang, ang ganda niya. Like, I think it's sophisticated. And I got the shade 04. So, let's try it out. Okay, pagdating sa brows, ang ganda ng product. I really loved how I applied it. And hindi siya yung super laki and stiff na to the point na masakit siya ipang blend sa brows. But I think sulit din for its price kasi may refill din siya sa packaging niya. Okay, before I continue, i-moisturize ko lang yung lips ko and then isa-set ko lang yung under eyes ko. For next one, I'm excited about this kasi parang new product nila to and these are their Soleil Matte Bronzer or yung Jasmine meets Rose Bronzer. Ito yung 03 and then ito yung 01. This is Brown Rose and Mild Rose. I wasn't sure kasi kung ano kukunin ko kasi yung isa medyo warm tapos yung isa medyo neutral. I kind of want a bronzer na maglo-look as neutral naman sa skin tone ko. So, okay, so this side gagamitin ko yung brown rose shade and this one is yung mild rose shade. So, nilalagay ko siya sa brush ko. Hindi siya powdery, which is something I like para hindi makalat. For shade 03, I'm really surprised with how it looks. Nabigyan niya talaga ng warmth yung mukha ko. So, I'm loving this one. Let's proceed naman with the other product or the other shade 01 Mild Rose. So, ito naman si Mild Rose. I'm loving both so far. Siguro, according na lang sa preference ko if like gusto ko ng warm or like mas neutral. I don't know if nakikita nyo sa camera, pero as you can see, ito talaga warm. Yellow warm siya. And then this one, may pagka-neutral siya. So, ngayon i-apply ko na rin siya for my eyes as eyeshadow. So now, I'm gonna proceed with the eyeliner. And ito yung long-lasting eyeliner nila. Ito rin yung eyeliner na ginamit ko from my Colorette Cosmetics video. Okay, as you noticed, in-apply ko lang siya sa lash line ko and then sa inner corner ko. But so far, as you all know, I like this. But to be honest, hindi siya yung super matte yung finish niya. Yung pagka-matte niya is may pagka-glossy pa. But I like this kasi precise siya and madaling i-control. Yun nga lang, hindi siya dried matte. Glossy matte siya. So now, I've done my eye look. Tapos naglagay na rin ako ng blush off cam. Now, magpaproceed na ako with the highlighter. And this is called yung FOCALLURE Glow and Contour Highlighter Stick. Gamit ko yung shade 02 Gold. Ang bango niya, amoy aloe vera gel. Okay, hindi ko siya directly ilalagay sa mukha ko. Gagamitin ko siya ng brush before applying it. Kaya ako siya hindi i-apply directly sa mukha ko kasi it tends na kapag i-blend ko na siya sa face ko, makikita pa rin yung spot kung saan mo siya in-apply. And that spot, parang hindi na siya mabiblend kahit blend mo siya with your brush. Product-wise, I don't think na it's super blinding yung effect niya. It just gives off a natural finish. But as I look closer to my mirror, meron talaga siyang glitters. Although it gives off a natural finish nga, pero pag tinignan mo siya closely, may mga glitters. But I don't think that's bothersome kasi pag malayo naman, natural glow lang yung finish niya. So, I like this. So now, I'm gonna proceed with my lips. And before applying the lip products, mag-a-apply ako ng lip liner. Yung mga lip gloss na nakuha ko ay yung plumpmax lip gloss nila. I got the shade 01 Crystal, 09 Cat's Eye, and 02 Amber. Okay, so directly ko siya i-apply sa lips ko. But after each application, I make sure to wipe it out with a tissue para hindi siya magka-color sa mismong product. So, ito yung shade Crystal. I have no words for the shade. Ang ganda. Nagpaganda rin kasi dahil sa lip liner. It made my lips really look plump. Yung smell niya is hindi strong to the point na masakit sa ilong. Parang may pagka-aloe vera din yung amoy niya. Hindi siya sticky. Okay, now for the second shade, itong 02 Amber. Ito yung parang nude brown nila. Same din yung amoy niya with 01 Crystal. Nag-blend siya with my lip liner. Upon applying, iba yung formula niya sa clear lip gloss. Hindi siya smooth sa pag-glide. And pag ginaganto ko siya, medyo may pagka-sticky siya ng konti. Feel mo yung difference niya from the clear lip gloss nila. It still works, but hindi ko siya siguro gusto. Okay, for the last shade, itong 09 Cat's Eye. I love this one. Feeling ko maganda rin siya if as is mo lang i-apply without the lip liner. Maayos din yung pagka-blend niya with the lip liner. So, it's good. For tight lining, kalimutan ko mag-tight line kanina. Gamit ko tong FOCALLURE long-lasting eyeliner nila. And for sure, if you've watched my previous recent videos. I've been using this for quite some time na, and so far this is doing a good job talaga. Mostly pa lang nagagamit ko lang siya for tight lining, but it still gives off a natural effect. And I got the shade 02 pala. Hindi ko alam if magkakaroon pa rin siya ng difference kasi halata na. Naglagay na ako ng eyeliner sa lash line ko. So, this is the final look, and if you were to ask me kung ano yung top 4 products ko, it would be the foundation, the clear lip gloss, the super fine eyebrow pencil, and the Jasmine Meets Rose bronzer. I feel like these are the top 4 products na paulit-ulitin ko talagang gagamitin. So that ends my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any video suggestions, just let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 𝗀𝗶𝗶𝗀𝘀